So today I came with the another classification of cardiac drugs, that is beta blocker. Beta blocker works by blocking the effect of the hormone epinephrine, also known as adrenaline. When we take beta blocker, then heart beat slowly and with less force, okay, thereby reducing the blood pressure. Beta blocker also help blood vessel open up to improve the blood flow. The beta blocker, also known as beta adrenergic blocking agents, are medications that reduce the blood pressure. Beta blocker work by blocking the effect of the hormone of epinephrine, also known as adrenaline. This beta blocker also have three classification. We classify beta blocker as first generation beta blocker, second generation beta blocker and third generation beta blocker. So first generation beta blocker is propranolol, second generation beta blocker are metoprolol, atenolol, and third generation beta blocker are labetalol and carvedilol. So these are the common medication of beta blocker are used as cardiovascular drug or as a cardiac drug. Classification of calcium channel blocker. This is also one of the classification of cardiac drugs. So calcium channel blocker are drugs used to lower the blood pressure. They work by slowing the movement of calcium into the cells of the heart and blood vessels, which make it easier for the heart to pump and widens the blood vessels. Some of the examples of calcium channel blocker are amlodipine. We all know regarding amlodipine. Most of the patient take amlodipine, nicardipine, nifedipine and verapamil. These are the common drugs under calcium channel blocker of cardiac drug. Next I will tell the difference between the beta blocker and calcium channel blocker. So what is the difference? Those two drugs are both are cardiac drugs, okay, and both lower blood pressure, but there is difference between the mechanism of action, okay. So what is the difference between beta blocker and calcium channel blocker? Calcium channel blocker drugs that reduce the amount of calcium that enters the smooth muscle in blood vessel wall and heart muscle, and muscle cells require calcium to contract, okay. And beta blocker lower the blood pressure in part by decreasing the rate and force at which the heart pumps blood. So this is the difference between the calcium channel blocker and beta blocker of cardiac drugs. Thank you.